The wait just got longer, but it might be worth it. DJI's brand new Neo2 drone has officially been delayed for global release, with China getting exclusive early access on October 30th, while Europe and other regions must wait until November 13th. This delay has sparked curiosity across the drone world, but after seeing what the Neo2 packs inside its 151-gram body, it's clear why everyone's hyped. From 4K per 100 frames per second slow motion to omnidirectional obstacle sensing, this pocket-sized powerhouse could redefine what we expect from mini drones. Let's dive into its insane specs, smart sensors, and the reason behind this staggered launch. The DJI Neo2 isn't just another compact drone, it's a showcase of how far DJI can push technology in a sub-200-gram frame. Weighing only 151 grams, it still manages to deliver a stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, with an additional 4K/100 frames per second slow motion mode that's guaranteed to make every cinematic sequence jaw-dropping. One creative highlight that's turning heads is the dolly zoom feature, a cinematic effect that creates a stunning perspective shift by zooming while flying backward, making your footage look straight out of a Hollywood movie. The two-axis gimbal may sound modest, but DJI's refined stabilization algorithms make every shot look buttery smooth, even in windy conditions. What's truly mind-blowing is how this lightweight machine manages a maximum flight time of 19 minutes, balancing endurance with mobility in a drone you can literally fit in your pocket. It supports both Wi-Fi transmission up to 500 meters and DJI's O4 system reaching 10 kilometers, giving pilots a stable, crystal-clear live feed whether they're flying casually or capturing professional-grade footage. The built-in 49 gigabytes of internal storage means you can shoot freely without worrying about forgetting your SD card, a thoughtful touch for creators on the go. DJI didn't just stop at performance. Safety and intelligence are at the heart of the Neo2. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing offers full protection from collisions, while Focus Track brings professional-level autonomy through Active Track, now featuring a new cycling mode, Spotlight, and Point of Interest, letting the drone follow subjects with precision even in complex environments. Gesture controls and return to palm make flying feel almost magical. You can literally control or land it using hand movements. The Neo2's Active Track with the new cycling option is one of its standout features designed specifically for athletes, vloggers, and outdoor adventurers who want smooth tracking without interruptions. Combine that with a 12 meters per second max tracking speed, and it's clear DJI has built something agile enough to keep up with real action. Now, why is China getting it first? DJI's official reasoning lies in their domestic-first rollout strategy, focusing on firmware calibration, supply chain efficiency, and local software tuning. But there's also smart marketing at play. With China's massive Singles' Day sales event, November 11th, launching early gives DJI a huge commercial advantage at home before global markets open. For Europe, the wait ends on November 13th, when the drone officially becomes available with pre-orders expected shortly before. As for price, the Neo2 is expected to launch around $259, with the Fly More combo likely landing between $429 and $599, offering extra batteries, propellers, and a carry case. The combination of affordability, advanced AI flight systems, and professional-level 4K capabilities make this an incredibly tempting package for both beginners and serious creators alike. It's small, powerful, and smarter than ever. A drone that doesn't just fly, it thinks. The DJI Neo2 might be tiny, but it's a giant leap in compact drone innovation. Its ultra-light body hides serious power, 4K/100 frames per second video, full obstacle sensing, gesture control, and tracking intelligence that rivals larger models. While the international delay might frustrate eager fans, DJI's decision to launch first in China shows confidence in fine-tuning quality before going global. If these specs deliver as promised, the Neo2 could easily become the ultimate travel drone of 2025. The wait until November 13th might be tough, but one thing's certain. This little drone is about to make a massive impact.